In today's video, we're gonna be playing Baldi's Basics Education and War. So I really suck at this game.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject. Matt, I can't believe it. You're incredible. Good one. Problem 3. 7 minus 2 equals... Good one.
I wasn't trying to get that wrong. I was just saying.
You did great.
Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
Problem 1. 0 plus 1. Great job. That's right. Problem. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem 3.
Like an angry problem you get from what? Da, 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 da. Controls are ass on this game. And mobile, to be honest. But ooh, Chucky bar. It's a zesty bar.
No entering school faculty, only rooms in the hall.
Aw, damn it.
15 seconds. Detention for you.
Is that first prize?
When will you learn?
What is making that sound? This game mean. I'm sad. I'm sad.
I am coming, ready over here.
You can't get me if you can't get me. Hold up. I'm gonna end the video here because that sound was not normal. Not normal.